Hey guys, so welcome back to Digital Legend Africa, a platform where we discuss quality content based on digital updates, tech updates, social media, smartphone updates for your profitability and productivity. Okay, so I'm beyond excited to have you here today with me. Yes, AI is trending, and I know you must have been seeing a lot of things on the online space that AI is already putting into reality, and you're also thinking as a person that how can I utilize this thing and also tap from this trend and also use this for my profitability and maybe my productivity on the online space. Okay, so I got you covered on this channel. Just stay tuned where I'll drop a lot of updates on how to utilize your AI so for your profitability and your productivity on the online space. Okay, so before we get started, if this is the first time you're just coming across my YouTube channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Alright, so let's get started. So grab your seat and get ready to learn something awesome and let us make magic together. Alright, let's go. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to generate hyper realistic images on the internet. Okay, so maybe you want to use one images for, maybe you're into animations and you want to generate your storylines through all these AI images. So you can just generate it on the internet. It's so very easy, and maybe you want to use it, you're a graphic designer, you want to use it for your post or anything whatsoever. So I'll be showing you how to generate hyper realistic images on the internet in this tutorial video, and also I'm going to be showing you how to also edit your personal images and also images of other people and transform it into an awesome and beautiful and handsome images. Okay, so just stay tuned, watch this video to the end. Okay, all right, so for this tutorial video, the three apps I'm going to be using are all available on Play Store. So you can just go to your Play Store. The first one is Lexica app. So you can just go to your Play Store and search for it, Lexica apps. So that's it right there. So just search for it and download it. This is the logo right here. So you can just search for it, your Lexica apps, and download it. That's it. So download it on your phone. Then the second one is your Pinterest. Pinterest is also available on your Play Store. Then the last one I'm going to be using is Photolab. So those are the three apps I'm going to be using for the sake of this tutorial video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let me walk you through how to use the Lexica apps to generate hyper realistic images on the internet. Okay, so just come to your Lexica apps after downloading it from your Play Store. So make sure your data is on and it's automatically open. This is what you're going to see. So you are going to see existing images already on the app. Okay, but if you want to generate your own from your end, you are going to see get started up here. So make sure you click on get started. Then it's going to prompt you to log in with your email. Okay, so right now I'm going to log in with my email right now. So just click on continue with Google. And okay, so as you can see, I already successfully logged in with my email. Okay, so you can also do that on your own side also. So after doing that, so you're going to see already existing images, right? Hyper realistic images right here. Okay, so if you want to download, you want to generate your own from your own end, so just come here, come to that down menu. Okay, so you're going to see describe your image. So this is where the magic works. So just type in anything you want, maybe an object on a car or a man sitting on a building, anything, just describe it here and it will automatically generate it for you. It's just about you describing your image. Like now I generated this earlier. I typed hyper realistic image of Elon Musk and it automatically generated the image for me. So if you're a graphic designer, maybe video creator, and you're into animation or anything on the internet, or you want to use it for any post, so you can just come here, describe the type of image you want or anything, object or anything. So you can just type it here and it will automatically generate it for you. So that's just how this app works. Okay, so right now I'm going to be moving on to the next app, which is the Pinterest. Okay, so for the next app, which is Pinterest, so just open it after downloading it from your Play Store. So just wait for it to load. So Pinterest is also used to generate images from the internet, just like the one we did earlier from the Lexica apps. Okay, so you can also generate images here. Apart from moving AI images, hyper realistic image, you can download other images. Maybe you want to use it for your design or anything, so you want to post it, so you can just come here and type it here. So right now, let me just type in hyper realistic AI images. So automatically to bring a lot of hyper realistic AI images I can use maybe for my post or anything. You can just come here. You can also describe your images also here. So that's just how this app works. So after maybe you want to use this one now, you can just click on it, then you can click on save and automatically it will be saved. Okay, so that's just, you can see save to profile. Okay, so if you want to download this image right now, so just come here then you're going to see download image, so automatically it's going to download on your phone. Okay, so that's how to use this Pinterest also. Okay, so finally the last one I'm going to show you is how to transform your images, existing images and maybe your own and other people, how to transform into amazing images. Okay, how to edit it and all those stuff. So I'm going to teach you in the next app. So the next app I'm going to be using is Photolab. So just go to your Photolab, open your Photolab after downloading it from your Play Store. So open it. Okay, so this is how the app look like. Okay, so this is what you're going to see on the app after installing it, and then you open it. Okay, so if you want to edit your image now, you want to transform your image to amazing form. Okay, so you just have to choose the templates. These are from any of the templates right here. So just choose the templates you want your image to transform into. Okay, so just go around those templates and choose the one that you like best. Okay, so for me, let me just scroll and see the one I want to choose. Okay, so let me go for this frame. So let me go for this. So you can just choose the one you like best. There are a lot of them. You can just scroll and so from here now you're going to choose the image you want to transform that is in your gallery already. So you just look for one of your image you want to transform, the one you want to transform, maybe the one of other people or your own. So let me use this one. Let me use this one right here. So after selecting the image you want to transform, then you click on that arrow right there. Click on that arrow, this arrow, right, that blue arrow. So just click on it, then you allow it to process. So just wait for it to process. Alright, so as you can see, it has automatically transformed my image to amazing form. Okay, so you can just walk around those templates. There are a lot of templates you can work with. There are a lot of them, so there are a lot of beautiful templates. If you're a female, you can go for female one. If you're a male, you can go for male one. So there are a lot of them, and you can also make money from this editing, like editing it for other people, pictures and images. Okay, so that's just it. Alright, so if you want to save your image after generating it, so just click on the share button up there. So you're going to see download, so just click on download and it automatically save on your phone storage. So that's just how this app works. So you can just play around. There are a lot of templates you can work with to make your image more beautiful. So you can even make money from this, editing this for other people images, maybe for birthday or any other thing, and make a lot of money from this. So this is just how this app works. So I hope this is useful for you. Okay, so I know a lot of you are still wondering if there is a part 2 of this tutorial video. Yes, there is a part 2. This is not the end. So this is just the part 1 of this tutorial video. So if you like to get the part 2, where I'll be showing you how to personally generate your own and other people AI realistic images of yourself in different attires, different locations, different dressings without going to your studio. So you don't even need to go to a studio to waste money going to a studio again to make beautiful images of yourself, maybe for birthday and all those stuff. So you just have to use this app. Is an app for that and all these editing apps for that, where you can just automatically generate your images using AI, utilizing AI in different clothing, and to look exactly like you, and may even make you more handsome and beautiful. Okay, so if you like to get that, let me know in the comment section below and type in I am interested. Okay, and that's a wrap on today's tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create hyper realistic images on the internet. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't, and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new tutorial video. Okay, before you go, make sure to show your interest below on the comment section. Just type in I am interested in order to get access to the second tutorial video on how to create hyper realistic images, real images lookalike of yourself in different locations, different clothing, without going to a studio. Okay, like the one you are seeing right now on your screen. You can see how beautiful they are. Okay, so you can achieve that using just your smartphone, using AI tools on the online space. Okay, so just make sure you show your interest below, or you can also go on the Telegram group if you have access to the free Telegram group. So just go to the Telegram group or my WhatsApp DM and show that you are interested. Okay, so thanks for watching today's tutorial video. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so bye for now.